Hello, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to AI Foundation Learning, your go-to place for all things AI. If you're a beginner or a professional looking to dive deeper into AI, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring something truly exciting, crewAI. This is a game-changing framework that's making waves in the world of AI agents and multi-agent systems. By the end of this video, you'll understand what crewAI is, how it works, and its potential to revolutionize the way AI agents collaborate and complete tasks. So stick around. So, what exactly is crewAI? Well, to put it simply, it's an open-source multi-agent orchestration framework. Created by João Moura, crewAI allows AI agents to work together as a team, or a crew, to complete tasks autonomously. Think of it as a digital work crew where each member has a role, and they all collaborate to get the job done. This Python-based framework leverages artificial intelligence to allow these agents to not only perform tasks, but also communicate with one another, delegate responsibilities, and even ask questions, all without human input. crewAI operates by using AI agents. These are role-playing autonomous entities that can be assigned specific tasks. For example, one agent might be responsible for gathering data while another analyzes that data, and a third might create a report based on the findings. The agents use language models as their reasoning engine, which means they rely on models like GPT-4 or other large language models, LLMs, to make decisions. But here's the cool part. You can configure crewAI to use any open-source LLM or even custom-made models. Let's break that down with a real-world example. Imagine you're running a customer support team. You could have one agent responsible for gathering customer queries, another agent that processes these queries, and yet another that drafts responses based on a database of solutions. All of this can happen automatically through crewAI. Or, take it up a notch. Let's say you have a team of stock analysts. You could have one agent gathering current stock prices, another analyzing trends, and a third generating investment recommendations. You can even use different language models for each agent, tailoring them to their specific tasks. That's the power of multi-agent systems like crewAI. Now you might be wondering, why not just use a single agent system? Well, single agent systems are great for narrow tasks, where one agent can handle everything. But when tasks get complex, like managing multiple data pipelines or making decisions based on a variety of inputs, multi-agent systems like crewAI really shine. In multi-agent systems, each agent has a specific role, and they work together like a team, delegating tasks and communicating to get the job done faster and more efficiently. This is especially useful in fields like data science, content creation, or even autonomous vehicles. One of the most exciting aspects of crewAI is its focus on autonomous behavior. These agents aren't just following a script. They use self-directed planning and reasoning to figure out how to complete tasks. They can even adjust their strategies based on the outcomes of previous tasks. For example, crewAI includes an autonomous manager agent that oversees task execution and allocates work based on each agent's capabilities. It's like having a project manager that doesn't need coffee breaks. And here's where it gets even better. crewAI is scalable. You can add as many agents as you need, diversify their skill sets, and manage more complex workflows as your system grows. This is essential for AI applications in large environments, like monitoring systems, generating reports, or even managing social media content. Plus, you can customize the tools and models your agents use. For example, crewAI integrates with LangChain tools, allowing your agents to perform tasks like web scraping, Python execution, and even document comparison. You can also develop your own custom tools for specialized tasks. As we look to the future, agentic frameworks like crewAI are going to play a pivotal role in how we build more intelligent, efficient, and autonomous AI systems. Whether it's for conversational AI, decision-making systems, or automating complex workflows, crewAI is paving the way for the next generation of AI applications. crewAI is just one example of how AI is evolving from simple, task-based systems to more collaborative, intelligent architectures. The potential is limitless. So what do you think about crewAI? Could you see yourself using it in your AI projects? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in AI innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.